Got this?
We're gonna land a little long.
Like a little keyway.
Yeah. Oh, this
awesome.
is awesome. My new favorite runway in the world.
I don't know about the world. This is damn good, though.
Lowlet. Just a group of friends having big adventures in small airplanes. Sharing some of the fun and lessons we learn along the way.
Hey, morning, folks, and welcome to episode 5 of Lowlet. Today, Mike and I are going on a parts run. So, if you want to come with us, this should be kind of entertaining.
We're testing deodorant in backcountry season.
Dallas traffic, Yellow Cub Delta Mike, departing from Way 31, straight up departure Dallas. Half ounce of back pressure. There you go. And then you're probably going to have to push forward a little to maintain 60. Flaps out. Look at that. It's like you know how to fly a Cub.
Some muscle memory there.
I was gonna say, almost like you've got 100 hours of Cub time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's got it made.
This should be fun. I haven't done an uphill departure here yet.
Why? Why?
Because it's uphill.
The
But
wind,
this thing performs so damn well. We got
like
so much wind.
that wind cancels out your uphill.
Only because it's strong enough.
Well,
If
yeah.
it was any milder, I'd be departing downhill.
Of course.
All right.
That's why.
Yeah, cool. All right, I got flaps 1. Cool. And Titan traffic. Yellow Cub is departing to the east. Titan.
And tail is up.
Yep. Yep, we got the gap made. I'm going to turn right.
Right?
I don't really want to go around that big rock. There's a stretch on the west side of it I don't want to be in. Take a look at this big thing.
Look at this thing. Is this on the camera?
Well, that one.
Oh, it's going to be awesome.
All right, instead of flying in the middle of the lake, let's get over to the side where we can probably get some updraft here and see if we can't get a little bonus lift.
I think you're a natural YouTube commentator. Like, you kind of talk to yourself, but some of what you say is interesting.
Part of that is, I think, being a flight instructor.
No, you're constantly having to, like, explain shit
Yeah.
and stuff.
Can you see that waterfall?
Yeah, look at that.
Isn't that a
thing.
spectacular waterfall? So there's the goat rocks on our left. I think that area is spectacular.
Yeah, that is spectacular. You're really hugging it.
Well, that's where the smooth upward carry is right here. So we're going to get there, and our buddy in the 182 is going to already be on the ground, like,
Oh yeah, no, he'll be.
he'll have found more campers and made more friends. Because we're going past Mount Rainier to get to our next spot.
What's he cruise at?
130.
Oh yeah, we're, no, not a chance.
Yeah.
Ranger Creek traffic, Skyline 77 X-ray, 5 south, 5,500 feet, inbound landing, Ranger Creek.
Yeah, he's already there. All right. There's a little detour. Probably gonna get a little bumpy right here, and then we'll go hook around that ridge right in front of us.
And
And we're inching our way down on altitude because Ranger Creek is coming up in some number of miles. What's really cool is so Ranger Creek is down in the bottom of this drainage.
oh really?
Yeah, and it's so close to the bottom of these hills, you can't see Mount Rainier, even though it's only like,
Wow.
10 miles away or 15 miles away.
How far down this drainage?
Probably about another 5 or 7 miles. I don't remember
Okay,
exactly.
around the corner.
Yeah, there might be 2 more bends. So we're there. Ranger Creek traffic, Yellow Cub 540 down the mics, overhead 4,000. We'll be flying overhead the field and setting up for traffic for 15. All right, so before landing, trim feels good. Fuels on both. Mixtures coming slightly forward. We'll leave it a little lean because we're still kind of high DA on a warm day. Primer's locked, mags on both. Switches are set. My seatbelt secured. Your seatbelt secured? Secured. Cool. All right, we got 1 notch of flaps coming in.
Right traffic?
We're gonna do right base for this runway because we got room over here to do a base leg. On the other side, you'd be in a mountain.
Okay.
Ranger Creek traffic. Yellow Cub 0 to Mike is turn base 15.
I like how you can't even see it.
All right, coming around base, no runway in sight.
Got a windsock, but
Final. Oh yeah.
running child.
And towards the runway. Good idea, kiddos. Well, he's sitting at the guardrail. He's just there to watch airplanes, it looks like. We'll keep an eye on the kid. We'll go around if he crosses it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, we're good.
A little three-pointer.
My flare was a little sloppy, but whatever.
And you were doing a three-point?
Yeah.
Got most of them.
Yeah, most of them.
That's it. When you want that door shut, I'll close it.
Ah, I'll get it. All right. Cool, 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 cool. There's an extra 40 RPM. I'll take it.
Hi, Ranger Creek traffic. Yellow Cub departing runway 15. We'll be in northbound departure, Ranger Creek.
Half flaps.
Ranger Creek traffic, Skylane 77 X-ray, 15 south, 6,500, last call. Have a good time, guys. Ranger Creek.
Good you, ma'am. I'll see you later.
All right, now bring those flaps out.
Really nice morning. Smoke's kind of held its own, maybe even better.
Yeah, I think the smoke's lightened up a little bit.
Green Valley traffic. Yellow Cub departing to the south. Green Valley.
Are we going east or west of downtown Seattle?
We're way north of Seattle.
Oh, all right.
We are north
really,
and northbound.
And we're north of Everett. We really did come around. Okay,
Yeah, we're north of all of it.
I'm showing my ignorance of our situational awareness, so yeah.
We are, hang on.
Okay, then that makes sense. There's the San Juan Islands. And, yeah.
So here's the sectional.
Yeah.
Here's Seattle.
Yeah.
This is where we stayed last night.
Yeah, and there's out to the left is the San Juans.
Yeah, here's the San Juans.
Yeah.
So we are, I think we're right about here. So we're not quite up to Skagit yet.
Gotcha.
Headed north. Got an old crop duster sitting down there.
Where?
Looks like it's just decaying into the field.
Where? Give me a...
I-5, there's the only compilation of buildings and
Oh
stuff.
yeah, what is
They're
that?
old. It's probably an ag cat or an old, I don't think it's a steerman.
That's a biplane.
Yeah. So that's why I think it's an old ag cat.
Tell by the number of wings.
You can tell it's a biplane because how it is. You see that big hill just to the right of our nose?
The big one or the big one?
The big one.
Yeah. That looks like that's probably Canada.
Nope, but it is about 5 miles from our destination. But yeah, I know, we're already almost there.
Almost like you know where you're going, Lars. It's subtle.
It's subtle, but it's almost.
I'm picking up on it.
Yeah.
And you drove up here. That's a drive.
I did. I drove up here and back in a day.
I remember, yeah.
Just so I could buy like $200 worth of airplane parts.
Right. Yeah, this looks like British Columbia.
Right? Like, I'm so tempted to get paranoid now that maybe we went too far, but I know we're in the right area. Like, it's just...
I haven't seen the border yet from the air.
Yeah, the dotted line. I didn't see it either.
I'm looking for dotted lines.
So...
They scramble the snowbirds, you know, then we know they're very polite.
All right, so...
Floathaven area traffic, Cub 540 Delta Mike is about 1 mile south of the seaplane base. We'll be landing on the west shore.
All right, there's the golf course.
Tell by the poor fashion choices.
Yeah, the Argyle socks.
Yep.
All right, there's heavy equipment, but it's off to the side. Definitely one way in, one way out, uphill landing. Runway looks pretty clear to me. All right, mixture's full rich. Carby, we're gonna test hot. I'll just leave it on. It's cool enough and moist enough this morning. We're gonna use lead carb on. And...
Base.
I think this will be totally doable. Oh, this
awesome.
is my new favorite runway in the world.
I don't know about the world. It's damn good, though.
Oh.
Wait. I like your little slip. Your little side slip there around that tree.
Yeah, just to bleed off that last little bit of energy.
Last little bit of energy. It's like, oh, I'm going to pop that tail out for a second. Then
yeah.
Probably like lost like 0.9 knots.
All right, I'm going to shut her down here.
Hey, Lars. Howdy, sir. It's good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome to the madness.
Time that I was up here, we looked at a few, and you said, you know, figure out if it was going to work, and then call you back. And
Yeah.
the math looks like it's going to work.
Okay, I'm gonna go kill my compressor. Washing down my new machine.
Vicious. He thinks we're with the FAA, apparently.
Yeah, yeah.
You know,
That's
you can tell.
He's the sweetest dog with Catherine and I. Before
Right.
she is it's an English Shepherd.
Oh, there you
Very
go.
territorial.
Well, I think they're bred to. Aren't they bred to guard aircraft parts?
Yeah,
she
works great. Yeah.
That's what I heard.
Yeah.
It's like, you know.
Well, I think.
Okay, you got exhaust manifold. What else do you want?
I think I want to do nose bowl.
Okay.
And then I think whatever. Let's do this.
Okay.
I think I have one.
On this priority. Oh, your buddy Woody. I heard it.
We got parts.
Wow, I know. I'm really excited about this. That's gonna look really good.
Honestly, that thing is so cool.
There we go. Boy, we got every square inch filled.
Get it all in there?
We did.
Yeah, your timing is perfect. The north wind is
Mike is going to fly back to the Dalles because, well, I did the flying up here. It only seems right that he fly a bit too.
Yeah, I lost the coin toss.
All right.
That wing away from there.
Yeah, we can go probably just all the way up to the driveway to whip this thing around.
I got 1 notch flaps, trim to climb.
Let's rock and roll. I'll make
Mixture's
the call.
full of rich. Make the call. Carpet off.
Blue Haven traffic. Yellow cab departing off the ground. Will be southbound departure. See.
Top field.
Let's go. Go. There you go. Yeah, a little higher. Perfect. Cool. And then I would do a climbing right turn.
Awesome.
Yep. Just a consideration for you.
Yeah.
Because we're in a land plane. When you get over water, don't try and stay low and go fast.
Yeah,
try and get that altitude. Yeah. Right? Because then we can get back to maybe land. But we just flew out across the lake really fast and low.
Fast and low.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, fast and low is a lot of fun.
Yeah,
I would get the altitude.
It down this way or across here?
It's the one on your left, or right, sorry.
Right. Level off at 2,000.
Sure, that's high enough for me. Turn a little to the left, because we got to follow the hills down the Cascade Range, Cascade Range here. And we're going to go to Arlington for fuel.
Yep.